So, let's dive deep into the world of Basecamp and Slack. We'll explore their unique strengths, their core functionalities, and uncover why, despite superficial similarities, they are distinct entities. By the end of this, you'll have a clear understanding of which tool, or perhaps even a combination of both, is the right fit for your team's specific needs. First, let's talk about Slack. When most people think of Slack, they think of real-time messaging. And they'd be right. Slack is, at its heart, a communication hub. It's designed to replace internal emails and provide a fast, fluid, and searchable way for teams to talk. Imagine a highly organized, supercharged group chat that's built for work. You've got channels which are like dedicated chat rooms for different projects, topics, or teams. This means no more sifting through endless email threads to find a specific conversation. Want to discuss the marketing campaign? Jump into the #marketing channel. Need to brainstorm ideas for the new product? Head to #productideas. This channel-based approach keeps discussions focused and ensures everyone who needs to be in the loop is, and those who don't aren't bombarded. Then there are direct messages for one-on-one or small group conversations, and threads, which allow you to dive deeper into a specific message without cluttering the main channel. This hierarchical structure is key to Slack's communication prowess. Beyond text, Slack supports voice and video calls, screen sharing, and the ability to share files with ease. And here's where Slack truly shines for many: its integrations. Slack boasts a massive app directory, allowing you to connect it with hundreds, if not thousands, of other tools your team might already be using. Think Google Drive, Trello, Asana, GitHub, Salesforce, the list goes on. This makes Slack a central nervous system, pulling notifications and updates from various platforms into one place, essentially reducing the need to jump between applications. So, in essence, Slack is about immediate, fluid communication, information flow, and acting as a central notification hub. It's built for speed, responsiveness, and keeping everyone connected in real time. It thrives in dynamic environments where quick decisions and constant updates are the norm. Now, let's shift our focus to Basecamp. Basecamp, while it certainly facilitates communication, approaches team collaboration from a fundamentally different angle. Basecamp is a project management tool first and foremost. Its core philosophy revolves around organizing and managing work, with communication built around that work. Think of it less like a chat room and more like a digital workspace for each project or team. In Basecamp, everything is organized into projects. Each project is a self-contained unit with a suite of tools designed to manage its specific needs. You'll find things like message boards. This is where longer-form discussions, announcements, and ideas live. Unlike the rapid-fire nature of Slack channels, message boards in Basecamp encourage more thoughtful, asynchronous communication, allowing team members to contribute when they have a full thought, not just a quick reaction. It's less about instant replies and more about organized, referenceable discussions. To-do lists. This is Basecamp's bread and butter for task management. You can create lists, assign tasks to specific people, set due dates, and track progress. This provides a clear, actionable overview of who is doing what by when. Schedules. A shared calendar for project milestones, deadlines, and events. This ensures everyone is aware of important dates without having to cross-reference multiple calendars. Docs and files. A central repository for all project-related documents, images, and files. No more searching through email attachments or cloud storage links scattered across various conversations. Everything relevant to the project is right there. Campfire. This is Basecamp's answer to real-time chat, similar to a Slack channel, but often used for more casual, informal conversations or quick questions that don't require a permanent record on the message board. It's a useful addition for those moments when instant back and forth is needed. Automatic check-ins. A brilliant feature that allows you to automate recurring questions to your team, like, "What did you work on today?" Or, "What are your plans for tomorrow?" This helps keep everyone accountable and provides regular updates without needing manual meetings. So, Basecamp is about structure, organization, and a more deliberate asynchronous workflow. It encourages teams to focus on the work itself, with communication naturally flowing from that work. It's designed to reduce the noise, minimize interruptions, and provide a clear, consolidated view of project progress. For teams that value deep work, clear documentation, and a less fragmented approach to projects, Basecamp often resonates more deeply. Now, let's explicitly address the "is Basecamp like Slack?" question. The answer, as you've probably gathered, is no, not really. They are not direct competitors in the same way, say, Asana might be a competitor to Trello or Microsoft Teams to Slack. While both aim to improve team collaboration, they do so with different primary functions and philosophical underpinnings. Slack is a communication-first tool that facilitates real-time interaction and integrates with other apps for task management and project organization. It's like the highly efficient, always-on nerve center of your team's daily conversations. Basecamp, on the other hand, is a project management tool that incorporates communication features to support project execution. It's like a well-organized virtual office where all the resources, tasks, and discussions for a project are neatly contained. Can they overlap? Absolutely. You can have conversations in Basecamp, and you can share files in Slack. But the emphasis is different. Trying to manage complex projects with detailed task dependencies solely in Slack would be incredibly challenging, and trying to have rapid-fire, informal team chats solely within Basecamp's message boards might feel clunky. This isn't to say one is inherently better than the other. The ideal choice depends entirely on your team's specific needs, size, workflow, and preferred communication style. Choose Slack if your primary need is real-time communication, quick information sharing, and a central hub for notifications from various integrated apps. Your team thrives on immediate feedback and dynamic discussions. Choose Basecamp if your priority is structured project management, clear task assignment, organized documentation, and a more asynchronous approach to communication. Your team values focused work and a consolidated view of project progress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.